this is the time to just do a video again. So random. Someone once posted, I have a cool way of cutting onion. I don't want to talk too long, I just want to start it. So we go, let's do it. Maybe I put the knife away. I could not find a bigger pen. Look at her face now. Bye, Marta. So you peel the onion. Then you cut the onion in half. Now this is the important point. All you need to do, I always use the tighter end. And then you just cut into little strings, but you don't cut the whole way through. You leave it touched at the end. And then you just do this, depending on how small you want it. Because of the rings, it will fall into pieces. And then, ooh, that's always the hard part at the end. And then I usually don't mind that much, and then I just chop the last bits like this. It will fall into tiny little cubes because of the ring of the onion. I'll show you in a second. Here the end bit again, I just chop a bit like this. And there you go. You have like really tiny pieces of onion. Oh my god, everything's falling down. It's not really easy. Rest in chili tonight. Bye! This time I catched it. This time it didn't fall down. Very good.